Hey, Brendan.
I'm not sure which does this tank.
Hey, Brendan, don't get your ass kicked. Oh, did he just kick? Hey, buddy. What are you doing? Huh? What's going on here? How did you zoom this thing? Oh, I know how to put that. Be careful. Look out, buddy. Marshall? You know, you look like a real ass out here.
Yeah, I know, but something isn't. I'm not sure which tank is which in this water goes on. But that doesn't look like an active tank to me. This is an active tank, but the hydrant is. Oh, the hydrant doesn't look right.
Maybe he wants you to.
It'd be something. It'd be. Well, shoot.
Should we give him a call?
Yeah, I might have to take that hose. That hose is all frozen and messed up, you know. Maybe it's this one.
What do you think? What do you think, donkey boy? What do you think, donkey boy? What? Has a what? Oh, cool. Some slick nurseryman.
Well, this meter's full of turds, or oh, that's macaroni. Okay,
What is it?
it looks like a. This looks like the water system to me. It's always like this with both. There's always something, but this doesn't make sense.
How about we just bust the ice on this? All right, I should film this, but I'm gonna bust